Oh, there's the tower that we did. They fixed up the gutters, no more leak.
Yeah.
That's gonna be amazing. It's man lift time. We're gonna take that and go over to that. This one is a 65 foot. Let's fire it up. I'm gonna leave it right here until we lay the plywood down. Hello everyone, it's working. We're gonna get this one done. All right, today we are making a video. We're gonna be doing some gutter repair right over there. Hello everyone, we're gonna be doing some gutters, fixing the gutter over there. We're gonna hop on this 60-foot boom and we're gonna knock this one out.
Tony, what are we doing?
So today we got this 60-foot boom and we're doing this huge tower that has copper gutters, and look at all them brackets. They broke, every single one. So we're gonna re-secure it just like that. All right, that tower is, I don't know, 150 feet. It's kind of hard to see from here, but it's way up there. That's a 60-foot boom, and it, kind of goes up halfway there. We're gonna get those gutters cleaned up, resealed, and resecured. It's gonna look good. All right, these copper gutters, they need some refurbishing. We're gonna clean it up a little bit. Kind of like a dentist. Look at that, nice and shiny. Ah, corner is clean. It's good. What did you drop?
I just dropped my drill.
Oh, you dropped your...
Thank God I went into the bushes.
Oh, he dropped his drill. Okay, well, let's just continue with this. Good thing we have it all blocked off. We're gonna seal this up. I know some of you are gonna say, oh, you need to solder. Yeah, it's already soldered. This is just a bonus. Get the corner sealed. Put a bracket every foot. This gutter will never fall. Here in Oregon, we got stink bug epidemic, so we're gonna get rid of them.
Great.
Ooh, it smells great.
Now they're attacking us.
Ooh, now they're attacking. Oh man. Ooh. Do they bite? I don't know. Got some brackets installed, resealed, added some more screws. This gutter is solid. This boom is just amazing. Look at that, it just keeps on going. I thought it was maxed out, but forgot that extra arm that comes out. So we can actually keep going. Amazing, wow. All right, getting this job knocked out. A couple more brackets and we'll be out of here. There's definitely a beautiful view up here. It's been a long week. We did, I don't know, about 10 jobs this week. I only filmed about 8. Can't film everything. So we'll see what we can do next week. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like. Thank you very much. Can you move the plywood, please, so I can keep going? Can you hurry? Okay, now he's, yeah, see? Now he's just like a donkey. No, this guy works like a horse. All right, got the project done. We're here with Dan.
Also known as David.
David, sorry.
That's all right.
The D's.
Rocky.
So we just parked the boom. We're done. We checked everything out. We sealed everything. Everything looks good. Thumbs up.
Yeah, we've gone up to the top and checked all the fittings and connections, and I have by authority, another 100 years.
100-year warranty. That's a Royal Gutter Service. All right, we'll see you guys later. Look at that tower. It's like, what, 120 feet? How tall is that?
Yeah, at least. We know we're at least 55 up to the top of the windows there, and
Yeah, and that's all copper, too.
copper.
How old is this thing?
1948.
1948.
Exactly.
Awesome. That's beautiful. It's a beautiful day. Okay, thanks, guys.